What's up, guys? Viper V here, and today is the October 2020 quad box. I know it's November, but quad box usually sends these actually out in October, end of October, and we get them sometimes really late October. Sometimes we get them real early in November. But this is the October 2020 quad box, so I'm gonna do an unboxing. If you're interested in these boxes, I'll leave a link down below for quad box, and as well, I'll give you guys my thoughts of what I thought of this month's box once I open it up. So let's go ahead and without further ado. All right, so we literally got some 4x8, 4.8 by 3, 4x4, pretty much the 4-blade props from HQ. These are super old. Okay. XT60 to XT30 to XT60 smoke stopper. Okay. What is this thing? No clue what this thing is. All right, a Hack RC 30 by 30, 30 by, let me zoom in a little bit. 30 amp by 4 B Heli S D-Shot 600 2 to 5S ESC. This is honestly a piece of junk. This box, did they stop caring? I don't even, this is like a pile of junk. And this is honestly going to be my last freaking box. This is it. Viper FPV is done with quad box. And that's the shirt. Okay. And the stickers. Yeah, I'm angry. And they stopped caring. I mean, FPV Crate is blown out of the park. They have competition, and this is what we're getting. B Heli S D-Shot 600. Doesn't even do 6S. Really? What is this thing? And these props are shit. Honestly, I'm sorry to be nasty. I know that I like to be family friendly. But I'm not happy with this box, and I'm going to say, I'll let you know, I already canceled my quad box, to be honest with you guys. The last box, I was not happy with it, so I went ahead and canceled it. Said this will be my last box, and if you know what, they up their game, I'll go ahead and do it. But you know what, I'm done. So, this is Viper FPV, and this is the last quad box, October 2020. Let me know down in the comment section down below what you thought of this month's box, because I'm not happy with it. So, I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.